What's going on, everybody? This is Harris, or FXFanatic from Gloomdale. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys my live trading results where I was able to pull in $2,000 in one day. This is a great accomplishment, especially because it sets me ahead in my trading journey, especially for the week. So before we get into those results, I just want to quickly take a minute and talk about my free group that I run. Like I said, it's absolutely free, comes at no cost to you. The link for it is in my Instagram bio. The benefits of it, you get analysis from me about the different pairs that I trade during the sessions that I trade. You also get, monthly giveaways where I do one-on-one giveaways, basically giving people one-on-one time and, going over their issues or whatever it may be to help accelerate their trading journey. And then apart from that, just, generally hosting live sessions, live webinars, a lot of golden nuggets that are being included. And this is all free resources for you guys to capitalize on. So, if you're new to trading, or even if you're already trading and you're just looking for, a nice community to be a part of, where you can take advantage of some of the things that are discussed or even given in the group, then go ahead and go to my Instagram. Basically, the link for that should be right here, FXFanatic, and join us. Okay, so let's get into the results. I'm going to show you guys my 2K day. Okay, everybody, so as you can see, this is a live account, and if we just head over here, you'll be able to see if we go to custom and then go a day back, then you will see that we made $1,897.50, which is basically $2,000.